now we are going to see how to update the firmware for UC100. So now I open the toolbox and now I'm plugging in the device and I got reconnection here. My UC100 is connected, so it's showing deactivated. So I'm going to maintenance page here. Here I'm browsing my firmware code bin file, tracking it, giving upgrade. It will start from 0 to 100, then it will restart, then firmware will get updated. So I got this firmware from the UC100 website. So it's like a mail site. They have provided the latest firmware that I am updating now. Once it is reached 100%, then you will get the pop-up like this: upgraded successfully. Once it is done, this all the things will be restarted. So now the toolbox is asking again to log in. So once logged in, the latest firmware will be updated. Yeah, that's all. Now the new firmware is updated here. Here you can see the firmware version.